So this is a common and a great question. Is this safe for my pets? Now we're going to remember that everything, that old saying, the dose makes the poison. So the more of something, the more it could kill you. Basically, cyanide in apple seeds, things like that, and you drink enough water, that could be toxic too. So everything has a risk factor, and the way we apply it and the way we use it is where your safety comes from. So is it safe for your pets? Well, look, it's like, the pets don't know that you're spraying poison around, so it's best to put them away and keep them away from the area while it's being treated, and once it's been treated until dry, really. Now the girls on the phone will say, or the office on the phone will say, between 2 hours to 4 hours is a good time, but weather situated. So if it's a cold, miserable day, it's going to take a lot longer to dry and settle and disappear, where if it's a 40-degree day, the chemicals will dry almost instantaneously. So the treatment area is wherever the chemicals are being applied. So you want to remove the pets from these zones and place them somewhere safe until the chemicals dried off, and then they can come back straight into those areas. There's some products for treatment for ants that are what we classed as non-scheduled. SAS Pro, which is a sand, it's great for treating ants underneath your footpaths and in your garden beds and along your sleepers. That's what's called an unscheduled product, and it can be applied even if the pets are in the yard. However, you can't pat and do your job at the same time. Well, it's not easy, so I would still recommend pets be out of that area until the work's completed. So it's a good question. Is it safe for your pets? It is, once it's dry.